we will going to get it from our MetaMask account. Here it is. I have connected with the golden test network. These are the test ethereums. Here you can click it and click on account details, and then click on export private key. When you clicked it, it will going to ask you the password, and you can copy that key and paste it here. Okay, now let's move on. I will add it and close it. Now let's move on to next step. Now let's write a deployment script, automatically deploy both our contract for us. Create a new file or replace the existing default one named deploy.js. Hard hat tutorial scripts and add the following code. Now let's copy the code of deploy.js and delete this and just paste this. Okay, so here we are taking a crypto dev NFT contract address from constants. So let's see. Okay, here, so let's create a new file, contract constants.js in the hard directory. Now let's create a new file here.